नमो बुद्धाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन चैनल। और जहाँ पे मैंने कल इस वीडियो को ख़त्म किया था, आज मैं उसी टॉपिक से शुरू करने वाला हूँ। ठीक है, टॉपिक क्या था? स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड मनी गेम, रिच डैड पुअर डैड, राइट? हैशटैग बुद्धा। तो आज इस वीडियो को उसी तरह से शुरू करते हैं। तो आज मैंने प्रॉपर नोट भी बना लिया है ताकि वो बीच में जो भूलने वाला समस्या है ना, वो ख़त्म हो जाए। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी का। ओके, वेल, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई हैव रिटन इज go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, and get out of the debt. Now, this is the most ridiculous advice one can give to others. You know why? Okay, you know why? Because रॉबर्ट टी कियोसाकी बताते हैं कि ये एडवाइस से कोई कभी भी सपने में भी अमीर नहीं बन सकता है। बिकॉज इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट। सेम एनी पीपल दोज हु हैव गॉन थ्रू दिस पाथ एंड हैव अचीव्ड सक्सेस इन द लाइफ, नॉट एट ऑल, राइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द अनदर पॉइंट. So that was point number 13. Now the point number 1. So game of Monopoly. Now those who really want to become rich, now for them they have to play the game of Monopoly. What do you mean by Monopoly? Like जैसे नदी में और समंदर में बड़ा मछली छोटा मछली को खा जाता है ना, in the same way in the business also or even in job also, like there will be some bigger fish which will just snatch you and just swallow, है ना? पूरा का पूरा वो निगल जाता है. In the same way, like how to become like in a blue ocean, जहाँ पे आपका ही राज हो, आपका ही शासन हो, right? Now next point. Okay, now the second point is this advice, the game of Monopoly is a kind of spirituality. How? Because there are some good things also, bad things also, up also and down also, right? Now see, in this video, when I say rich dad, poor dad, when the writer, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, the author of the writer, Robert T. Kiyosaki, when he says poor dad or someone to the poor, it doesn't mean that he is physically saying someone poor or like that, right? He basically want to say that it is a poor attitude. It is an attitude which is poor, which will never let you become rich. Okay, next point. Suppose someone has taken birth in the poor family. Now what happens? This poverty is passed on the next generation, on the coming generation. Because if he won't be able to get rich, now the same poverty he will pass on to the coming generation, to his or her offsprings, right? Most of the people believe that rich are evil, right? But it is not quite right according to Robert T. Kiyosaki. See, whenever I am saying anything, it is not I am saying. It is Robert T. Kiyosaki, the writer, the author of world's most famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So he is saying that people think that the rich people are bad, are evil. But the thing is, they are more smarter than us. They are more creative than us. Okay? That is the main reason. They are more intelligent than us, and we are trapped in the rat race, and they are like beyond this rat race. That is why they are able to make money. Okay, like school, colleges and university are like a factory these days. They are producing a lot of engineers, doctors, lawyers and so many of like diverse field uh, of occupation or expertise, right? But also not everyone is rich. Why? Because school do not have that capacity and capability to teach money. Because in school they never will teach you money, because school are like the manufacturing machine these days. They are manufacturing गधेज कह सकते हैं, ठीक है? क्योंकि कैसा हो रहा है वो हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि जो गधा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रहा है ना, उसको हम अच्छे से देख सकते हैं. और अगर ये सब थोड़ा ख़राब लगे तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि मतलब ठीक है, वही बोलते हैं, वही टर्म ठीक रहेगा क्योंकि स्कूल जो प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है ना उसमें कुछ दम ही नहीं है. लाइक ही इज जस्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग द बॉट्स, like humanoid bots. जिसको जो इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया they are just trained like a employee, never trained like a rich people, right? Now Robert T. Kiyosaki says that we had been taught the strength of material. Okay, the subject name was strength of material, and he asked to the professor, could we are going to use that anyway? Like in my life, ever I am going to use that one? And the professor replied, no at all, not at all. So why you are reading those rubbish content जिसका कहीं पे काम आने वाला ही नहीं है और हम लोग प्रॉपर्टी की चपेट में जाएंगे. So we have to stop that. Okay, so Robert T. Kiyosaki also says about fake teacher and real teacher. What do you mean by fake teacher? Suppose someone is teaching about money. Suppose I am saying about money, or some teacher in BBA and MBA they are teaching about money, and they themselves are poor. They themselves are garib. You know, like they themselves are poor. Like they don't have sufficient which they are teaching to the learners or the kids or the student, grown-up students, right? The students are rich, but the teachers are poor. What does that mean? What is the use of such knowledge if someone is teaching about money and he himself is poor? That is called fake teacher. What do you mean by real teacher? Those people outside you, those people around you, which are making millions and billions, those are the real teacher. Just go and grab them. Just request them how to know about the money, right? Here he try to say like that. Okay. Now point number 10. Don't tell them this, right? So keep this as a secret. Keep this as a confidential. Never share this type of knowledge to any one of the poor one, because if the rich will start sharing the secret, the poor one, if they follow it, I'm saying if they follow it thrice, because that is the condition, then they might also become rich. But so keep it secret. So rich never says the secret, right? And the secret is keep them poor. Okay, how you will know that who is rich mentality and who is poor mentality? Now those who have a rich mentality, like Robert T. Kiyosaki's rich dad says that how can I afford it? Okay, see, rich will say how can I afford it? That is a rich mentality. And what is the poor mentality? It's the same thing. The poor mentality will say that I can't afford it. I can't afford it is said by the poor one, and the rich says how can I afford it? When you say I can't afford it, the mind shut down. But when you say how can I afford it, the mind opens up. How can I afford it? The mind will start thinking in that positive way, right? So that was all. And at last again, go to school, get job, work hard, save money, and get out of the debt. That is the most ridiculous advice anyone can give to someone. In that way, we are going nowhere. We will always be trapped inside this rat race, this poverty game. That is all for today in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep signing and keep smiling. Namo Buddhaya. Love you all. सबका मंगल हो, सबका कल्याण हो, सबका स्वस्थ मुक्ति हो. Thank you.